an atomic emission demonstration where we look at different colors emitted from different salts, starting with strontium nitrate, sodium chloride, copper chloride, and potassium chloride. And it takes just a moment for the color, the true emission color of each metal to come through in this demonstration. So you can see that strontium has a characteristic red color, sodium has this orange yellow color that you might have seen in the Dartmouth bonfire. Copper chloride has this characteristic blue-green color, and then finally potassium chloride has a violet color to it. Okay, now we're going to extinguish the flames to stop the combustion by suffocation.